After 9 years of creating with my Nikon D3300, this unboxing feels different. The camera was more than just a gear. It captured memories, ideas, learning moments, and the beginning of my creative journey. But over time, storytelling changed. Creators started moving faster. Videos became more personal, more cinematic, and more mobile. And for someone who wants to capture stories without carrying heavy gear everywhere, this feels like the right moment to upgrade. Today, beside the Tanjavur doll, a symbol of culture, color, and storytelling, I'm opening the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo. Not just as a new camera, but as a new storytelling companion. The box feels clean, simple, and premium. As we remove the seal and open it slowly, the excitement begins. So come on, let's dive into the box and see what's inside. And first, I pick up a pouch. It's a very small pouch, but this will be very useful if we are traveling outside. Very compact. And then there's a big purse. Oh yeah, this contains all the accessories and the camera itself. Let's pick it up and later. And we do have some stickers and the manual itself. The pouch is very elegant, it seems. Let's open it. Ah yeah, this is a very elegant black pouch with Osmo written or printed in it. And then the big purse itself, it's also very elegant with the dark black color in it. And yeah, it also printed with Osmo printing. Let's open it. What's inside? Oh wow, that has so many stuffs inside. Let's keep one by one in the table and then reopen all the plastic bags and see how it looks like and how it works. Now let's start removing the plastic covers and arrange everything properly on table. The very first is DJI Mic 3 transmitter's magnetic charging cable. It's just a small cable, but it tells me something important. And then the wrist strap, simple but important to carry on. And then this small tripod to make the camera stand for the solo coverages. And this is one of the wide angle lens which is given with the Creator Combo to get some good wide angle landscape shots or the portraits. It's very small. And then there are two magnetic clips for the DJI Mic 3 transmitter. The very strong magnets. It pulls each other. And this is the base attachment which you could attach to the camera to charge it off or to insert the tripod. And then you get a windshield for your Mic 3 transmitter when you are shooting outdoors. Actually, you get two windshield. One with an ash color shades and one with a pure black color. This is the ash one. And then here comes the DJI Mic 3 transmitter, a very compact mic which can directly connect to the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 without any receivers. And this is one additional input for the DJI Pocket 4, the light itself, which you can just strap in with the camera. You don't get this light with DJI Pocket 3, so this is an additional feature you get with the Pocket 4. It will be very useful for outdoors. And here comes our main hero, or the heroine, the camera. DJI Pocket 4. Very compact. You can just have it within your palms. See how small it is. So this will be definitely worth for traveling and immediate vlogs. And you've got a gimbal clamp which protect your mechanical gimbal. And yes, let's remove it and get the stories painted out of this camera. Very compatible within your one hand. So holding the Osmo Pocket 4 for the first time, it feels small, focused and ready, but not heavy, not intimidating. Just a pocket-sized camera made for locals, travelers, small business owners, YouTubers and everyday storytellers. But an upgrade is not only about buying a new gear. It is about choosing a tool that matches the next chapter of your creativity. So before ending, we turned the Osmo Pocket 4 towards the Tanjavur doll. The same doll that watched the unboxing now became the very first story this camera captures. Its colors, movement, details and the traditional beauty became the first test of this new creator combo. And in that moment, it feels clear. Stories do not always need big equipment. They need a small subject, a vision, and the courage to press record. The Nikon D3300 started my journey, and the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 begins the next one. It's a journey, and it's just a beginning.